It's been the best performing IPO in terms of retail subscriptions for a very, very long time, has Infinite Computer Solutions. 11 times oversubscribed on retail. The NII or the HNI component was nearly 110 times overdone. The QIP booked 46 times overall, well over 43 times. What's gone so right? Where have the subscriptions come in from? And what's the company's stance on the issue going forward? Sanjeev Gulati, the CFO of the company, joining in for a quick take on that. Sanjeev, morning. Thanks so much for joining in. Congratulations on a blockbuster set of subscriptions. Can you start off by telling us who the prominent QIBs were that subscribed for the full book, and at which end of the price band did most of the bids come in at?
You see, the details are still coming in because we've been traveling since yesterday and I've just landed here. I do not have the latest information with me, but I believe that it has come at right at the top of the price band. I think during the day we'll get the balance information, who are the people who paid, what is the kind of breakup, etc. But I believe a lot of good funds have come in.
Sanjeev, congratulations on a very successful issue. Just looking at the kind of subscription numbers, do you feel in hindsight that you could have been slightly more aggressive with the pricing of the issue?
No, I don't think that was the issue, because we decided when we went in for the issue that we would leave enough amount on the table for our investors. We would like to have investors who are happy. We would like people to remember us going forward, and we would like to deliver to them on their expectations. So I don't think we really feel that we had underpriced the issue.
Can you give me a rough sense also of maybe a couple of names of maybe the prominent domestic institutional investors or FIs that may have invested? You said some good funds have come in. Even a couple of names that you may have offhand. I respect the fact you may not have the entire list, but just the interest that's been generated for the benefit of our viewers and the people that have subscribed to your issue.
Yeah, we have Reliance, which has come in. Then we have Zero Price from abroad, which has come in. And Bharti AXA has come in. Then amongst the Indian companies, we have Indian mutual funds, we have SBI, then we have LIC. Those are some of the names.
Sanjeev,
come in. Yeah.
Sanjeev, given the high retail portion to this subscription number, are you worried about the quality of money? Do you think these are relatively strong hands?
No, we are not worried about the quality of the money. We would like to have a lot of retail investment also, because I think that gives broadens the spectrum of the investors, and we are able to service them better.
Sure. These names that you gave me, did they come in at about one-time book for Reliance, T. Rowe Price, Bharti, SBI, LIC? Roughly, would they have been one-time book?
Those details with me. I'm still waiting for those details to come in.
Okay, fair point. Just want to come back to the issue of pricing. Do you feel confident enough to perhaps go ahead and price this issue at 165 right now?
Yeah, sure.
You do. So it's possible that you go ahead and price this at 165?
165, yes.
Okay. Just a quick sense also, Sanjeev, in terms of some of these guys, what is the rough lock-in period that they may have for your issue for the subscriptions that they may have done, either through the anchor part or perhaps that have come in through the open market?
We have not met them after that, nor have we spoken to any of them, because we don't really know who the people are, all the funds. So that information will come, I think, later today, tomorrow. And then maybe we'll touch base with them during the week, and then we'll try to find out. But as it appears that a substantial number of them are long-term investors. They're not just investors who will exit upon listing.
Okay, we'll leave it at that, Sanjeev. Thanks so much for that quick take. That's a view coming in on Infinite. Very good subscriptions. Some of the names that he mentioned are Reliance Mutual Fund, T. Rowe Price, Bharti AXA, SBI, LIC. That probably went one-time book. Is going to price the issue at 165. So that's the big news coming in out of there, and a very, very well subscribed issue. No regrets on the pricing, or perhaps even to price this issue a little higher. Avtech is the company that we're going to be